didn't say, you just said Monday. It was, I didn't have any messages from him this morning.
Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is now in session. The court is in session on today's date, January 24th, 2024. We have our announcement docket. First case we're calling on the announcement docket is cause number M325941, case of Solid State of Texas versus Caleb Williams.
Your Honor, I believe we're gonna resolve or dispose of that case today.
Okay, I'll hold. Next case is cause number M330974. Case is style of State of Texas versus Lauren A. Williams Gonzalez.
We hold on that.
Okay, I'll hold on. Okay. Next two cases are cause numbers M331295 case and cause number M331297. Both cases are styled the State of Texas versus Karen Bouchon. Would you please come forward? Okay, Ms. Bouchon, your full name is Karen Bouchon?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Bouchon?
How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. State is represented in this case by Haley Simmons. Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Bouchon, you are representing yourself in these cases, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. Simmons, Ms. Bouchon, the cases are set on the court's announcement docket. And what the announcement docket is, it's an opportunity for you to announce what you want to do in your case. For example, the first time you appeared for an arraignment. And then I think that once you appeared for the arraignment and you signed the form stating that you would like to represent yourself, then the court reset the case to give you an opportunity to get discovery of the evidence from the state. And then once you get the discovery of the evidence, you have access to the evidence to see what evidence the state will be using against you. Then you could announce to the court whether or not you want to set this case on the trial docket, or whether or not you want to enter a plea of guilty and no contest on the case. So that's where we're at today.
Yes, sir.
So what is your announcement?
That we can go to trial.
Trial, okay. Give us a trial date.
March 11th.
Okay, these cases will be reset for March 11th of 2024. Ms. Bouchon, our court administrator is going to give you a reset. Once you get your reset from the court administrator, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Please stand in front of the court administrator.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Somebody's on Zoom. Okay, the person that's on Zoom. Can you hear me? Okay. Okay, the person that's on Zoom, sir, please state your name.
Daniel Edward McCowan.
McCowan. Okay, Mr. McCowan, we're in a court session. You need to remove your hat.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry about that. I'm so
Thank
used to wearing it.
Okay, now, Mr. McCowan, your attorney is James Paget, and Mr.
Yes,
Paget
sir.
is not present in court, and he has not made an appearance on Zoom. So we will have to wait for your attorney to arrive.
Yes, sir.
In the meantime, you can put your mic back on mute, and then when we call your case, you can take it off of mute.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next case is cause number 23CCCR 0694. Case is style of state of Texas versus Rafael Orozco Ceja. Mr. Ceja, would you please come forward? Mr. Ceja, your full name is Rafael Orozco Ceja. How are you doing, Mr. Ceja? You doing good? That's good. Now, Mr. Ceja, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney James Paget, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. Ceja's case?
Your Honor, I worked out an agreement with Mr. Hubel. I understand he's not in the courtroom now, but we've accepted the agreement, and what I need is about 30 days, and the case will be disposed of by way of plea.
That's a 30-day reset. Okay, Mr. Ceja, your case will be reset till March 11th of 2024 for a plea. You're gonna get your reset here in court. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day, and your attorney and your bondsman will be sent notice of your reset. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Please stand in front of our court administrator. Next case is cause number 23CCCR 1370. The case is style of state of Texas versus Daniel Edward McCown. Mr. McCown is appearing via Zoom. Mr. McCown, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, sir. How about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. McCown, you also represented in a case by your attorney. Well, you have two cases. The second case is cause number 23CCCR 1371, and you're representing each of these cases by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. Attorney Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. McCown's case?
Your
Case-
Honor, we have not completed discovery on the DWI case. We have on the unlawful carrying. So I'm not going to be able to make an announcement right now. We're still waiting to complete discovery.
Okay, give us a reset date. What date is that? Okay, March 25th. Mr. McCown, your cases will be reset to March 25th of 2024. On
Yes,
that
sir.
date, you need to be in court in person.
Absolutely.
Your attorney, Mr. Paget, will be sent notice of your attorney and your bondsman will be getting notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to
Yes.
go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Paget, I think these are your last two cases. You're free to go as well. And you
Yes,
have a
Your
blessed-
Honor. Thank you. You as well, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay.
Okay. See, and we got to go. It's not moving.